Hi everyone, this is again Froilan John Idos from I2 Prime Realty, and we are here once again in Ayala Alabang Village. And I'm very excited to feature once again another listing that we have here in this village. It's a property that sits on a total of 611 total lot area and a floor area of 1,085 square meter. So join me today as I give you a tour of what's inside this property. Tara! But before we get inside the property, I just wanna say, etong area ng property na to, it's upland, kaya there's more ventilation kasi mataas yung area ng property. Kaya dito pa lang sa labas, ayan, feel mo na nandun yung ventilation. And then look at the facade. You know already that's going to be huge inside kasi looking at the facade, it's obviously a 3-story house excluding the basement. So kung isasama natin yung basement, nasa total na 4-story siya. Okay? So dito sa labas, you have a good landscape garden already. And then once you get inside, you will be welcomed by this huge carport. So this space can fit up to 3 to 4 vehicles. But if this space is not enough, no need to worry kasi meron pa tayong basement parking, so it can fit a total of mga 10 vehicles. Okay? So tara, samahan niyo ako sa loob. So dun sa side na yon, that's going to be the entry point going to the basement parking. And then dito naman sa kabila is the entry point going dun sa likod, all the way dun sa swimming pool area. Napupuntahan din natin as we go inside. Then, so this is the main door. So look at the main door. It's huge and it's a solid wood. And it's a smart lock also. Then we have the first bedroom over this side. So look how spacious the first room is. So this could have maybe a queen size bed, side tables. So this already has a ceiling fan, aircon, split type aircon, then its own toilet and bath. And what's special about this toilet and bath is meron siyang sariling sauna. And then dito yung enclosed shower natin. Itong toilet and bath na to is for that room, pero it's a shared bathroom na rin dito sa ating swimming pool area. And look how spacious, how big your pool is. Okay? So, let's check more about this house. So, although it's a 4-story house, no need to worry. Kasi itong house na to, it comes with a lift. Ayan, meron siyang elevator from basement 1 hanggang dun sa pinaka-attic area natin. Okay? So now, yun yung bedroom 1. Tapos dito naman, we have here parang massage room. It's set up na pwede siyang maging massage room or pwedeng maging vanity room as well. So you can put chairs over here. Then ito naka-set up to for vanity purposes. Ayan. So, okay. So, it's good for relaxation. No need to go out to find spa. Kasi dito, meron ka ng pwede maging mini spa mo. So, now, dito naman, look at the living area. It's a high ceiling also with good view of the swimming pool area. And then, access to the lanai area. So, there's good sources of ventilation coming from all sides. So, dito muna tayo. Let's go out here. So, from dito, from the swimming pool, it gives you all the way access hanggang doon sa likod to the lanai area. So, here sa lanai, you can maybe add sofa, chairs, table. So, this could be an outdoor dining area for you. But, if ayaw nyo naman sa outdoor, there's indoor dining, which we will go to later. Pakita ko lang na on this side, nandito na yung access going dun sa baba. Nandun ang ating basement parking. Meron din tayong laundry area. We have the maid's quarters, the diver's room. So, everything is there sa basement 1. Okay? So now, ito naman yung ating indoor dining area. So, naka-set up na siya. You have the lights over here. So, definitely nandito yung dining table nyo. So, lagay lang kayo ng mga chairs. Then, it gives you immediate access to the kitchen area. And look how spacious the kitchen is. And I like the aesthetic. Ang ganda ng design. There's white, black, then wooden materials. So, it's perfect. And it comes with a oven already. Then you have the exhaust, the gas stove, and you have here an island counter. Then a good lighting. And then from here, meron na rin siya naka-install na mga kitchen cabinet. And then it has a dirty kitchen. Then sa dirty kitchen, nandun na rin yung ating pantry. Okay, so now let's go to the second floor to check out more bedrooms. So sa second floor, bukod dun sa access natin kanina going to the basement, meron ding access pababa dito going sa basement 1, sa parking at saka sa mga laundry area, maid's quarter, and driver's room. Okay, so sa second floor, dito yung ibang mga bedrooms natin. Before we go to the best part, yung master's bedroom, pakita ko muna yung iba. So, dito sa side na to, so ito yung bedroom 1 sa second floor. So, pwede ka mag-set up ng queen size bed, side tables. So, there's good source of natural light and ventilation. There's a provision for a window type aircon. Then its own toilet and bath. Then there's another room here. It's almost the same size as that one. So if you have more kids, pwede dito. Meron din naman siyang sariling toilet and bath. It's right over here. Then, also, meron na rin pala tayong mga installed cabinet here. So, this could be a storage of your shoes or any of your stuff. Ayan, para hindi makalat, diba? Then, another room here. It's the same size as the last bedroom. Iba lang yung orientation kasi yung ating toilet and bath is on this side. Okay, then let's go to the best part, yung ating master's bedroom. And this is how your elevator will look like. So ito yung parang interior design niya. Yan. So it's good din na design. So here's the master's bedroom and look how huge your master's bedroom is. So you could maybe have a queen size bed, side tables. Imagine having a good headboard over here, good lighting, and then you have your television set up dito. Then this room has its own balcony. So ito yung access going to the balcony. And then look at your own toilet and bath. It's also huge. So you have the installed cabinets, you have your mirror here, your vanity space on this side, the vanity mirror. And then dito, yung ating enclosed toilet and bath. And what's special sa master's bedroom is you have your own bathtub. Okay? So, let's go to the last part of this house tour. Sa third floor naman tayo. So for now, I'm using the stairs. Pero kapag open ng elevator, it's gonna be very convenient going up and down. So dito sa third floor, you have a good lighting. And then, meron pa tayong attic room. Dalawa. So, ito yung first one. Ito pwede siyang maging bedroom, pero this could also be maybe a gym dito sa taas. So, this can be set up as a gym. So, it comes with its own aircon. Then, meron na rin tayong cabinet for your stuff. Mga gamit sa gym. And then, there's another one here. Pwede siyang maging guest room. So, ayan. So, this room has its own toilet and bath.